Alright guys, back working on the Santa Fe. Gonna be changing the transfer case oil. This is a 2009 all-wheel drive. It's got 125,000 miles on it. Last time I changed it was at 75,000. The manual says it recommends every 30,000, so I'm a little bit over. I will show you how to do that. Let's get started. Alright, first thing you want to do is get the fill plug off, because you don't want to go draining your oil and then come to find out you can't get the fill plug off. So it's kind of hidden, so I'll just kind of come in here so you know where to look. It's kind of, let's see, where is it? It is right there. So here's your oil pan, engine oil pan, drain plug. If you go right to the right, it is that one right there. It's a 10mm hex. So it's kind of like right above the exhaust. And what I have to loosen it up, so I just have a 3/8 breaker bar, and there's my bit. Okay, so once you have it loose, you can probably just switch to a regular ratchet. See if that's you can see it's almost out. There we go. And there it is. Once you got your fill plug out, you can take your 24mm socket and get the drain plug out. That's just right here. And have a catch can ready. And actually, for 50,000 miles, this still looks really good. It's not charred black or anything. So at 125,000, this is the third time I've done this. I think I did it at 30, 75, and now. All right, we'll go ahead and let that drain. All right, typically there's a magnet on here, so you want to clean that off. See, it's not horrible, but there is some crud on there. Just want to wipe that off. There you go. All right, that's slowed to a drip, so put the drain plug back on. And just snug it up, don't crank it. All right, and there's what came out. All right, go ahead and put the new stuff in. Okay, Manual states 7590 oil and 0.84 of a quart, so that's 27 ounces. And so this is what I'm going to use, Mobile One 7590. And I picked up this this pump here. I think it'll work really well for this application. I'll throw a link in the description. We'll see how it goes. I've never used a pump like this, but it's going to be hard to get that bottle in there to get the oil in, so I think this will work. All right, we got our hose going into the fill plug. Got our bottle right here. Start pumping. Oh yeah, this is gonna work good. Okay, so got about 5 ounces left in here. So it's 1 quart's 32 ounces, so this takes 27. So there's 5 left. And this pump worked really good. I would highly recommend to get one of these if you do this job. All right, so go ahead and get the fill plug back in. And I did jack up the front end of this car for this, but my garage floor is kind of angled towards the door a bit, so this is pretty level. So yeah, this wasn't too bad of a job. That fill plug's on there kind of tight, so you might need to kind of hit the ratchet or breaker bar with the hammer to knock it loose. But all in all, it's not too bad. Every 30,000 miles. I will put this video in my Santa Fe playlist. I got some other Santa Fe videos if you want to check them out. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.